Don't you think, guys, it will be so amazing for you when you wake up in the morning, you look at your calendar and your planner, and you see what do you have to do today. You're not sitting there and guessing. You're not sitting there and asking yourself, okay, what do I need to do? How do I make money today? Who do I need to call, right? What do I do today? No, right? How many of us actually do that, unfortunately, right? Having that in front of you, like for me, Tuesday, that's my day. I know what I'm doing on Tuesday. I know what I'm doing today. I know what I'm doing on Thursday as well as Friday. It's right there. It's in front of me. And it's also sending me reminders. So all of my money making activities right here are green. And these are conversations with agents. So when I have somebody that calls me or texts me and say, hey, are you available to meet with me? And let's say it's not an agent, it's someone else, right? I look at my calendar. It's not there. It's not available. I just let them know, hey, I don't have the availability. How about this day? Or how about this time? When you have it in your calendar, you can look at your calendar and then say, you know what, I'm not available, unfortunately. There's another day that I have time or day available, right? So that's something that you guys have to really able to utilize the calendar you have. This is a Google Calendar, guys. Like, it's that simple. And 10 to 20 minutes every night for me going through this, it helps me for the entire day.